Welcome back to the Uprise, everybody. Today I wanted to talk about a very important issue, something that we still deal with today in 2020. And honestly, the statistics on this are staggering and really atrocious. I will have links in the description talking about the specific statistics, but the issue is domestic violence. It is still a huge problem in our society, and it's something that my family has suffered personally. We have a tremendous loss in the family due to this particular subject. So I wanted to reach out and provide just the open discussion about it, and to really help people understand that we can't sweep this under the rug. We can't just ignore it anymore. We have to talk about it. There is help for you out there. If you are suffering from domestic violence, get yourself help. Don't give in to this person anymore. Even if it's multiple people, get yourself away from them and get yourself help. There is a national hotline that you can link up with and find more information. The website is called thehotline.org. I'll have the link in the description, but it's the National Domestic Violence Hotline. They have lots of information and lots of help and assistance. Another alternative is what's called a safe place. If you're a youth, you're able to go into any business that has a safe place sign out front and get assistance anytime you need. If you are, let's say, renewing your DHS assistance, if you're on that, or if you're applying for it, they also have a checkbox in the paperwork that you can fill out that says, yes, I'm suffering from domestic violence, and they will take you back and get you help right away. There's lots and lots of other resources, lots of help. If you're able to, you can do a quick online search to get immediate assistance that way. There's also local assistance. You can call 911 and the local police department if you're in any immediate danger. I advise you do that. This is an ongoing issue, and I don't feel like there's enough attention on the matter, on the subject. I feel like there needs to be more information put out into the world, and people really need to see that information, get access to it. I also feel like if you are in that relationship or in a position where you're the victim of domestic violence, you need to reach out and get help right away. Please keep yourself safe and protected, but reach out. Tell family members, tell relatives, friends, even people at your job. If you're suffering from domestic violence, don't give in. Don't be afraid. Step out, reach out, get the help that you need. Together we can put an end to this. We have to be brave. We have to get through it. I want you to keep yourself safe, but I want you to reach out. I don't want anybody suffering from this any longer. This is a real issue, and nobody has to put up with it. You don't deserve to be treated like that. People are going to lie to you. They're going to abuse you. They're going to do whatever they can to keep you there so that they can keep hurting you. Don't give in to that. Reach out, get help. Get away from them as quickly as possible and stay away from them. Don't come back. Don't give in to their lies and persuasions. Don't do any of that. This is your life at stake. Too often, people shrug it off as it's just temporary, or they're just mad for a moment. You never know what they're capable of. It could lead to somebody being seriously injured or killed. Don't give in to them. Get yourself help. There's lots of information out there. I'll link plenty of it down in the description. If you or even somebody you know might be suffering from this domestic violence situation, reach out to them. Ask them, are you okay? Is there something I can do? Make it your business. Because too often, people will say, no, everything's fine. They will pretend that everything's fine because they don't want you knowing. Because they don't want you to know. They don't want you to interfere and make things worse. They need the help, even if they aren't saying. So make it your business. Check in on them. Make sure they're reaching out and getting the help they need. And if they aren't, then maybe you need to step in and bring them the help. Sometimes people can't help themselves, and it takes other people to be aware of that, and that's the only way they're going to get that help. Together, we can really put an end to this domestic violence issue. It's going to require us to be brave and be courageous, but we can do it. Reach out and get help. Break the silence. Together, we can end domestic violence.